So on the same building, we also have another condominium, but it's not a penthouse, but it is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condominium from 112 square meter. Very well decorated. So again, here in the SeaRidge, and the price is I forgot. Again, and the price is 3.9 million. And for that view, what you have here, for the spaciousness, the 112 square meter, if you see the kitchen decorations, everything, very interesting. The maintenance fees are 40 baht per square meter, so that is also a reasonable price. So if you're interested also in this unit, just for a nice escape from Bangkok, you know, being here in the mountains of Khao Tao with this spectacular sea view, 3.9 million, I think it's a steal.